Christian. My name is Danny Tomo. I was one of the organisers of Saturday. The problem that we have with these individuals and people from Stand Up to Racism is on Saturday an article was published about me. An article was published about me saying that I was actively telling the patriots in London to attack the left. That's what Stand Up to Racism wrote about me. That's what Searchlight wrote about me. I was doing the complete opposite. I was calming the situation down. I'm here today to say I stand here as an devout Christian for Charlie Kirk. We need to be able to talk. These people want to commit violence. So I'm not here to antagonise anyone. If that's how it seems, I'm sorry. I'm here just to say freedom of speech. I love my country, I love my children, and I'm going to do whatever is necessary within the law to make sure we take a fight to them. You saw what happened on Saturday. They are people that are worried about their country. They are not far right. They are old, they are young, and they are middle-aged. They are women, they are men, they are kids. We are worried. We are worried. We are worried for the good reasons. Thank you.